मंगलवार को मेघालय में ओमाइक्रोन प्रकार के अपने पहले 5 मामलों का पता चलने के बाद उप मुख्यमंत्री प्रिस्टोन तिनसोग लॉकडाउन लगाने की संभावनाओं को खारिज करते हुए कहा कि अभी राज्य सरकार या किसी भी सरकार द्वारा लॉकडाउन लगाने की कोई ना ही मंशा है ना ही संभावना, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन एक अंतिम विकल्प है और कोई भी सरकार नहीं चाहेगी अब कि लॉकडाउन लगाया जाए। हम सबने देखा कि लॉकडाउन के कारण लोगों ने कैसे आर्थिक स्थिति का सामना किया, इसलिए लॉकडाउन लगाना संभव नहीं है। रही बात सावधानी बरतने की, तो सरकार एहतियातन तौर पर हर तरह की कदम उठा रही है। साथ ही तिनसोग ने लोगों से वैक्सीन लगवाने से हिचकिचाहट रखने वालों से यह अपील की कि यही एक रास्ता है महामारी से अपने आप को बचाने की, इसलिए जाए और वैक्सीन लगवाए। ज्ञात हो कि मंगलवार को मेघालय के स्वास्थ्य अधिकारियों ने कहा कि मेघालय ने ओमाइक्रोन प्रकार के अपने पहले 5 मामलों का पता लगाया है, जिनमें से 3 शिलोंग से हैं, जबकि शेष 2 रिभोई जिले से हैं। स्वास्थ्य विभाग के एक अधिकारी ने कहा, 2 सैडेन से हैं, 1 लैंकिडिंग से, एक हैप्पी वैली और लेतुखरा से हैं। शिलोंग में ओमाइक्रोन के लिए सकारात्मक परीक्षण करने वाले सभी 3 लोग राज्य के बाहर से लौटे हैं, जबकि शिलोंग के लैंकिडिंग में पाया गया सकारात्मक ओमाइक्रोन मामला असम का एक पर्यटक है।
Right now, only those 5 which was tested yesterday. So those 5, of course, were tested Omicron. But let me just tell you, Omicron again, in fact, it's a mild, it's a mild symptom, I should say. And those people who got positive yesterday, in fact, they are doing well. They don't have much problem, be it breathing problem or be it the oxygen level. They are quite okay, quite fine. I mean, as normal.
Are we heading for any imminent lockdown?
No. See, let me just tell you one thing. The economic activities in our state has suffered a lot. And looking back for lockdown, I think that is the only last resort. But my appeal, my request to all the concerned citizens of the state, please take care of yourself wherever you are, be it at home, be it in your workplace, or be it anywhere you are. I think you need to discipline yourself. You need to take care of yourself. I think that is the only way out where we can really contain the spread of the virus.
Has the state government
Does not arise, and that would be the last resort if we have to. But taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown. He left the same day itself after collecting the sample. So before the result was out, he already left. In fact,
So he didn't enter Shillong?
he was in Shillong. That's what we got sample collected from him. He was in Shillong for some times, but ultimately he went back. Of course, but again, as far as this detail of the patient, this, that, we have already entrusted DHS. He will tell you all the details.
Can you tell us about the...
That question is very old. RAT, the accuracy rate is very low, whereas RT-PCR is the accuracy rate is very, very high.
but RT-PCR it takes time to give the result.
It takes time, but accuracy is more or less 80-90%. So better late than never.
So,
We already issued the order, the notification. Be it the citizens of the state or tourists or anybody coming into our state, we request them that you have to go through the entry point, and then you need to produce RT-PCR certificate within 72 hours. Or if you don't have that, you need to test. You need to go for RT-PCR test in the entry point itself.
Why RT-PCR?
I'm telling you, not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above. 15 years and above. Our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way out. Well, people ask question. I think I saw posted in YouTube this, that. They said, then what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there. And then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus.
So, is the government